Take onion first. Not that way. Take it. Keep it ulta. Yeah. Now make it into small slices. And be careful. Now put it in this plate and spread it.
Uncle, keep it up. I want to go home because my grandma told she'll buy a cheese ball for me. I think they came. I want to go eat.
Now pour oil, full oil.
This one.
Yeah. Enough. Now switch on. Now put onion. Oil is more actually. Next time you have to be careful. Put little salt. Take 1 spoon. Yeah, spread it and put. Now stir it with that pan. Take the stir it. Wooden. Yeah. Oil should reach everywhere. Salt also get mixed. Every onion should have oil. Now keep it closed. No, there is. Not that. Big one. Ripened one alone. Rest other one you keep it away. Not red one, no, you keep it away. You have to use always ripened tomatoes, not the other ones. Make it into half. No. Yeah. Keep it again. Yeah. So many pieces, okay, not just 2. Make that into around 4-5 pieces. Yeah. As much small you can do, you do it because it will get cooked fast then. Okay, so tomato is done.
This one.
See, that and all you cannot clean every moment. Now put tomato. And stir it properly. Now keep it closed. Yeah. Yeah.
What can I have this? What can I take this?
Put.
Yeah.
Yeah, open. Put those pieces.
All of them
Not all.
except this.
Except that and that next set of piece. That also don't put.
This one.
Yeah, those all these three you put.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. One mixie and yeah. Other way. Lock it. Yeah. Now hold the cap. Yeah, do it. Huh. Little more. Close it tightly. Then again. Hold the cap now. Okay. Now pour it in this. Remove this. Put water and wash and put. Yeah. Now stir it. Close it. Put chili powder 1 spoon. Yeah, put more. Yeah, 2 spoons. Mm. Turmeric powder. Again, yeah, put it. This dhania powder. Yeah, 1 spoon. Little more chili powder. Okay, done. Close it. And be careful. Yeah. Yeah. Close it. Yeah, stir it and close. Stir properly. Everything should come up ulta. Yeah. Every piece should get masala. Slow.